Good afternoon, everyone. This is part 4 of my do-it-yourself solar panel energy transformation system. So as you can tell, my window unit is battery powered by an inverter with several batteries, and those are the primary batteries there. And the reason why I had to make some changes is because one of my controllers was just getting a little bit too hot, which was this one, which controls the right bank. As you can tell, here's the left bank, right bank, and here's the reserve. And the reserves are down over here, which is probably approximately about, I don't know, 2,500 amps. So just in case to run other things that's really late at night. So the reason why I'm making this video is because it was getting a little bit too hot on this right bank, and I solved it by moving the ground wire away. It used to be on this top terminal, which is connected over here on the back side. I moved it away to farther away because I believe it's just getting a little bit too busy by the inverter, especially when it's running a lot of amps. And ever since then, it's been much cooler. So here's the left bank, here's the right bank, and the reserves, it's not too hot. So, but yes, much cooler than before. But thanks for watching, and if you have any input, let me know.